Hi everyone, it's Rena and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've actually done anything Vroid related, and today I actually decided to make a character model based off of an anime character. Well, I'm not making the model, I'm just making her outfit. So your job today is to guess which anime this is from. I'm going to give you 3 hints, and then you're going to tell me what you think and where this anime is from, and then I'll let you know near the end of the video. So, hint number 1, it takes place in an olden Victorian time period. It was posted on Netflix in 2018, and they took the character design for this main character from Fate Stay Night Saber, but this character's name is not Saber. With those 3 hints, can you tell me what anime this is from? Lastly, a bonus hint. The character's name is also the name of the show, and it is 2 words. Character name, name of the show. 2 words. There you go. That's 4 hints now. Can you tell me what it is? Anyway, so basically, today I'm just showing you how to make a new outfit that would be a olden Victorian style turned modern. There's not really much to say in this video other than you just get to sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and I'll probably stop talking. If you want to hear me talk a little bit, I will explain a little bit, but for the most part I'm not going to say much. So basically, you'll see in this video I had this vision of the skirt, and I used one of the pencil skirts in Vroid, but I wanted it to make it look a little wavy, but it wasn't giving me the shape that I wanted, obviously, because it's a pencil skirt. So right now it looks like this, but in the end result I actually ended up changing it. But for like the whole entire time of this creation, I used this design of this skirt, and then I went back without recording and remade this whole entire skirt because I didn't think it was necessary to show you and bore you with that information. But it's basically a 2-piece outfit. It will be available on my Booth account. It won't be free, but it's really cheap. It'll probably be like $3 to $5 in yen, so even cheaper for you guys because the yen is really low. Isn't that great? But anyways, yeah, so if you're wondering what this part is, it's actually a train for the dress. It's not like a little octopus squid thing. Yeah, no, it's not that. It's just a train. Nothing super fancy. And then the top part, I used another dress. I used a lot of the dresses, basically. I just took the dress and chopped it up, used another dress, chopped that one up, and used it again. So I probably could have saved my time by adding the dress and the top together, just like cut the 2 and just made it a one thing. But, you know, I didn't really think that far, so I didn't do that. Anyways, even when I redid it, I literally could have done that, but I didn't. So here we are. Yeah, I'm gonna pretty much stop talking now, and you can just enjoy the rest of this video if there's anything important. Other than I didn't show you in this part would be just the sleeve here. I did add a underlayer, so I took another dress once again and put it underneath and then put line layers so you can see right now. That's what I did with the sleeves. But other than that, I'll be quiet and you can just enjoy the music and the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more character designs or outfit designs, let me know. Leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Bye. So if you haven't figured out what the anime is, I will tell you now. It is Voilet Evergarden. That is who I'm basing this character outfit design off of. Voilet Evergarden has this like really long dress. I just made it more modern, and yeah, I forgot to mention that. But enjoy the rest of the video. back. As a side note, I still feel like this outfit is missing something, so basically I lined everything up with this dress or outfit with this like yellow little trim around the whole entire part here, but I feel like the bust area is missing something, so if you have any suggestions of what I should add to that section, leave it down in the comments and maybe I could add it there and then I could put it on Booth and then yeah, you guys will actually like it then. But I just feel like something's missing. It's cute. This is the skirt I was talking about. I just redid it and just put the new skirt. And this is the realistic version of it. There's some pieces of fabric that I can't figure out what layer it's in. Like by the hands there. I cannot figure out what layer that's in. But anyways, it's there. And you're gonna have to deal with it and find it out for me and get rid of it. But I hope you like this outfit. And if you like more of these, let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!